The word armed can change how you think about safety and power. It tells us when someone has something ready to protect or fight with. Armed means having weapons, tools, or something ready for a specific purpose. It is often used for protection or fighting. Some learners think armed only means having guns, but it can also mean having tools or even knowledge ready. Common phrases include armed with, like armed with a plan, or be armed to the teeth, meaning very well prepared. She was armed with a map and compass before the hike. The security guards were armed. He faced the problem armed with new facts. A young detective was armed with just his notebook and curiosity. That small tool helped him solve a big mystery. Think of a knight armed with a sword. The sword helps you remember armed means having something ready to use. Remember, armed means ready with something important. Try using it in a sentence today.